Good day, viewers. Once more, you're welcome to Best Education. And today we'll be looking at adjectives and adverbs. Adjective and adverbs. We want to see how these two parts of speech works and the difference between these two parts of speech. Now we'll start by defining adjectives. Now, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words that modify nouns. They are words that describe nouns or a pronoun. Pronoun because pronoun takes the place of nouns. So specifically, the function of adjective is with nouns, either nouns or pronouns, describing or giving more information about the nouns or pronoun. On the other hand, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Adverb modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. So, adverbs strictly deals with verbs, deals with adjectives, and deals with another adverb. Adverbs come after nouns. Adverbs come after nouns, but adjectives come before the noun they describe. So, how do you know that a word that could serve as both adjective and adverb? How do you know which is adjective? The adjective comes before the noun, which can be called attributive adjective. Gives us the attributes of a particular word, a particular noun. So the adjective comes before the noun that it describes or it gives information about. But when adjectives come after noun, we call them predicative adjective in a sentence. Now, adverbs answers questions like how something is done, since it has to do with action, tells us when action was done, tells us where action was done, tells us why an action was done, the purpose, the reason, and so on and so forth, the extent to which an action is being done. While on the other hand, adjectives gives us information of which type of noun, what kind of noun, and how many number. So in essence, adjective deals with nouns strictly, while adverb deals with what? Verbs, adjective, and other adverbs. Now let's take a look at this example. In this example, we'll have a word that stands for both verb and adjective. We use it in two sentences and examine how it's being used. Number one, he is a fast runner. He is a fast runner. Then number two, he runs fast. He runs fast. Now, in the first sentence, he is a fast runner. We have fast coming before a noun, which is what? Runner. In essence, the fast here is describing the type of noun, the type of runner. So the fast here, it's an adjective describing the noun runner. In the second sentence, we have he runs fast. This answers the question how the action runs is done or is being carried out in this sentence. He runs fast. And so the fast here modifies the verb runs. He runs fast. And so fast here stands as an adverb. Let's look at another set of sentences. The boy drowned in the deep river. The boy drowned in the deep river. Then number two, he looked deep into her face. Now in the first sentence, The word river is a noun, and we see the word deep coming before the noun. And so it describes the type of river where the boy got drowned. It's the deep river. Now, going to the second sentence, it looked deep into her face. The word deep here is an adverb because it tells us how he looked into her face, into the girl's face. So he looked deep. So it modifies the verb looked. So in the first sentence, deep is an adjective. In the second sentence, deep is an adverb. Now let's take a look at verbs that could stand as adjective. Verbs that could stand as adjective. I'll be giving us three examples, three sentences here, and we'll analyze these three sentences. Number one, singing is my hobby. Singing is my hobby. Number two, the singing bird. The singing bird. Then number three, the bird is singing. The bird is singing. Now, looking at the first sentence, the singing bird, or no, singing is my hobby. There's no action there. There's no action there. It's talking about something that you love doing, something that you are doing. So, in essence, singing in this sentence is a gerund. It's called verbal noun. It's a gerund standing as a noun. The singing here is standing as a noun because it's something I like doing, and a noun is a thing. So singing is my hobby. Singing stands as gerund. In the second sentence, the singing bird. The singing bird. In this sentence too, there's no action. So the singing here describes the bird. We are talking about the singing bird. Now, in the third sentence, we have the bird is singing. The bird is singing. So, in this sentence, we have action of the bird singing. So, in the third sentence, singing stands as a verb. We'll stop here for today, and when next we meet, we'll continue from where we have stopped. Thank you, and please, once more, don't forget to subscribe and to like my channel. Thank you. See you in the next edition. Bye.